Hi everyone, we have choosing the problem of surds or radical and exponential from Olympiad Maths. Problem is find the value of x from expression 9 to the power x minus under root 3 to the power under root x is equal to 0. Now on solving this problem, we have 9 to the power x minus under root 3 to the power under root x is equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. Now on solving this again, 9 to the power x, this part move to right side. Under root 9 to the power x is equal to under root 3 to the power under root x. This 9 it can be written as 3 square whole raised to the power this x is equal to this part it can be written as 3 to the power under root x whole to the power 1 by 2. We knew that a to the power b whole to the power c is equal to a to the power b times of c. Applying this law both the sides. 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power square root of x by 2. Base and base same and equal, then equating exponent 2x is equal to under root x by 2. 2x is equal to under root x by 2. Multiply by 2 both the sides. This 2 be cancelled. 2 2 ja 4x is equal to under root x. This x it can be written as 4 times of under root x times of under root x. This part move to left side. Minus under root x is equal to 0. Taking as a common under root x remains here 4 times of under root x minus of here is also remains 1 is equal to 0. 1 times of square root of x is equal to 0 and 4 times of square root of x minus 1 is equal to 0. Squaring both the sides. This square and this square root will be removed. X is equal to 0. Be getting the first value of x is equal to 0. Now solving of this part. 4 times of under root x. 1 move to right side. Under root x is equal to 4 move to right side. Squaring both the sides. This square and this square root will be removed. X is equal to 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16. Be getting the another values of x is equal to 1 over 16. Now verify both the values of x. Putting main equation. Main equation is 9 to the power x minus of under root 3 to the power under root x is equal to 0. The values of putting x is equal to 0. 9 to the power 0 minus of under root 3 to the power under root 0 is equal to 0. The values of 0, any number which and always the values of 1 minus under root 3 to the power value, the values of 0 which has always value 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus under root of 1 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. The values of verify another 9 to the power x minus of under root 3 to the power under root x is equal to 0. The values of another values of x is equal to 1 over 16. Putting here 9 to the power 1 over 16 minus of under root 3 to the power under root 1 over 16 is equal to 0. This 9 it can be written as a 3 square whole raised to the power 1 over 16 minus 3 to the power under root 3 to the power square root of 1 is 1, square root of 16 is 4 is equal to 0. 3 to the power multiply by this 2 over 16 minus here is it can be written as 3 to the power 1 over 4 whole raised to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. 3 to the power 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16 minus 3 to the power multiply by this 1 over 8 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Left and right side equal, then x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 over 16 is the correct answer of that question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.